up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy napkin arrangement that'll be perfect for any occasion. What you will need: some really cute napkins, silverware of your choice, and these are just gold plastic silverware, and ribbon to hold it all together. And this is 1/8 inch ribbon, and I have about 4 rolls, so it just depends on how many arrangements you want to make. And scissors. Alright, let's get started. So I'm just using a square napkin. It's 16 inches by 16 inches. And what I'm going to do, I just have it lying flat. I'm going to fold it. And this is the right side of the napkin. And I'm going to fold the right ends together. So you see this is the wrong side of the napkin. I have that folded together, just like that. Then I'm going to fold it in half. Just like that. Alright, so you see, fold it in half and in half to make like 4 even squares. Try to make it as close to the same as possible, but if it's not perfect, it's okay. Alright, so you're just going to take the corner and fold it downward to the bottom corner. Just like that. And then you're going to flip it to where the corner that you just folded down is in the bottom left corner. Okay. And then what you're going to do is fold the napkin again and fold it once more, just like that. And you flip it over. You see you have your really cute napkin arrangement. Really simple and easy to do. Now we're going to add in the silverware. So I have a knife, a fork, and a spoon. And again, you can arrange it whatever way you like. I just think this way is just cute, classic, and adorable. Alright, so the piece of ribbon that I cut is about 16 to 18 inches long, but it really just depends on how much ribbon you want to hang, how big you want your bows. So you just modify it to fit your occasion. So I just slide the ribbon underneath my napkin, and make sure you hold it tight because it's not secure until you tie this ribbon on it. And I'm not tying it in a fancy way or anything, just like a regular knot, like this, and flip the knot just for a little extra security. And then I'm just going to tie it in a bow. And then adjust your silverware. You are all done. Simple, quick, easy, and adorable. And you can modify it as much as you'd like. If you want to stick tissue paper back there, you can do that. If you want 3 different ribbons, you can do that. If you want to add like a little party favor underneath the ribbon, you can just have fun with it and just make it your own. I'm going to show you one more. Alright, so don't forget, you lie it flat, right side facing up. You're going to bring the right sides together and then together once more. Okay, just like that. You're going to take this corner and fold it back. And if you want to like iron it and really make it look really good, you can definitely do that, but I don't think it's a big deal. Okay, so we have it like this, and you're just going to flip it over. And again, make sure the folded tip that you just folded down is in the bottom left corner. And then you're just going to fold it like that. and fold it once more. And I do want to show you, so a modification, if you want the arrangements wider, you can definitely just fold it halfway and then bring the other side and fold it over. And you see that makes it wider if you want to add a little more into your arrangement. But I just have silverware and I want it to be nice and together so that they don't fall all over the place. So I'm going to take it all the way over and all the way over once more. Just like that. We'll grab the silverware. Have your knife. Spoon. And fork. And I'm just adjusting it, making it exactly the way that I want it. And then take the ribbon. Again, the length and thickness, it all depends on what you want. Just take the ribbon, tie it in a knot, flip the knot, just gives it a little extra security, and tie it in a bow. And then adjust it once more. And there you have it. Nice, cute, adorable, quick and easy to make napkin arrangements for any occasion. Birthdays, baby showers, weddings, anniversaries. Just have fun with it. Change up the color, the style, the sizes of everything, and just make it your own.